Guys, let me thank you for, first of all, let me thank everyone for watching my video, both the sharers, the commenters, and the followers, okay, the friends on my page. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. Okay, without you, it would have not been possible. All right. So thank you very much. I just want to drop this a little bit of video in case you receive this kind of notification, so it's not scam. I've checked mine carefully and I noticed that it is not a scam. So what happened is I actually got an invitation to be using this um free music from Facebook. So it says like this: Totally Paste One has been approved to use content monetization program. All right. So what it says that is I'm now free eligible to use Facebook music. All right. You have been invited to switch to our content monetization program. Okay, so that's what it says. And then now I can use free music from YouTube. So it is not all, there are specific ones that I have to select, because if I click on the one with revenue sharing, I'm going to be sharing revenue with that person that owns the music. But there are free ones that I can actually use and they will not give me copyright because I've tried it. So now I'll just go, especially on Reels. So if I want to put it on long videos, there are ways that I could do it as well. So for now, I'm going to be using Reels. So let me see. You never know. I don't like that kind of thing. Don't let me just get too excited. Okay. So I want to use the free, I mean the on Real first. So on this video, I'll be carrying everyone along carefully in case you get that kind of a notification, you don't remember what you have to do. So watch my video, make sure you share this video, like and share, don't just keep it to yourself, share so that others will learn what it's all about. And I'm going to go through it, how you can get there, where you can use the free music. And I also show you on this video the ones that are free for you to use, because it's not all you have to click on, so that you don't get that violation B1. So watch this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end and like my video. Okay. Feel free to share my videos and put a nice comment, everyone. And I thank you once again if you watch this video to the end. Okay, so let's go there. If you have Facebook, now open your Facebook, let's go. Now I want to post video. So this is short videos. Okay, all I have to do, you go to your Facebook as like this. So I click on the video that I want to use. Okay, let me go back again and just start. Okay, so now assuming I want to start, and then I want to use their music from the Facebook. Okay, the ones assigned to me. So here, this is my page, right? You click on this one here. What's on your mind? Like you want to upload video. So I go like this. That's the way I normally upload my videos. Okay, and then I now click on any message, any video like this. Right, let me use this one. Okay, let me just use this one. So now I'm gonna have to click next, right? But when I get here, so this is the place you have to choose the music, right? Just put any title just for tutorial sake. Okay, hi every, so let me say congratulations to me, chance to me, just like that, just for the tutorial purposes. Okay, don't go on post yet. All right, so you now tap on this as if you want to select a cover. So edit cover, no, that's not the one we are going for. Okay, this one is edit video, because that's the place you're going to find music, right? So here now is the video, right? Instead of clicking next, don't go next, click on the audio like this. Okay, so now it says add music, so, or add voice cover. Add voice cover, that means the one you want to voice recording by yourself. Add music, that's the one, the music I'm talking about, that the one I got invitation for. So I now click on add music. All right, so here you have to be careful, because these are the music that you are assigned for. Not all of it, as you can see here. Okay, the one that you can use that is free is the one written royalty free. Don't forget, the one that's written royalty free. This one that is written revenue sharing. If you use this one like revenue sharing, the one that's written revenue sharing, you're gonna be sharing your earnings with the person that owns the music. Okay, this one that says bliss here, the first one, and it says royalty free, that's a free one. That's the one you're going to be using. Anyone that is written royalty free is the one free you're going to be using. If you use anything more than that, you're going to get revenue sharing with the person. Okay, so now,
so guys, you hear the video by the time you do that.
The one that is free, that's royalty free, that's the one you're going to click on. Okay, so the music will come out. So make sure you don't click on the other ones. So now it's going to come out like this. Wait a minute. Now you're going to click on the not add voice. Okay, so if you click on add voice, that means you're going to voice record. So now I'm going to type maybe, oh, okay, congratulations to myself, just for the tutorial purposes. Okay, and then I'll now enter my page name just to make sure this nobody should copy it, something like that. Okay, anything you like, you can write on your own. So after that, you're gonna wait. You put it down so that it will not go cover your face. I click next. Okay, now if I want to add playlist, if you don't have playlist, if you want me to make a video how to create playlist, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I just put lifestyle because I have everything playlist on my videos, cooking, anything, making hair, anything that I do, I have everything on my playlist. Okay, if you want to share to group, I only have my group that I share to. Okay, I just say at everyone, and then that's it. Okay, hashtag and save, and then I now post. All right, so with that, I'm not going to get any violation. If I click the one that says revenue sharing, I'm going to be sharing the revenue with the owner of the music. Okay, so this is the video here. If you go on I'll just give it a bit of time to download. All right, so you're gonna hear the music playing. So because I've been invited, I don't think I'm going to get copyright on this video. If you don't understand this video, let me know in the comment section by typing, can you make the video again, or thank you. Please share this video for others to learn. All right, anytime you receive message from Facebook, try and make a research to know that it is not scam. It is not what you want. Let's try it on any link that will send to you. All right, so check your videos, check your message properly before you do anything for you. That's all. Right, watch this video and share. Let's learn together. Feel free to comment.
Now your son's
Feel free to comment on this video,
now.
like and share. Don't keep it to yourself. Share this video so that others will learn from it. Okay, thank you very much, and follow my channel, subscribe, put on the notification button if you're on YouTube so that you know I'm alive. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a lovely day. Bye. Thank you so much.